Every backyard has a unique story to tell. You know who the real stars of these stories are? Birds. They're the ones who steal our hearts with their beauty and sweet melodies.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Sometimes, you can't wait to share your beautiful moments of these stars. But somehow, you end up miss out.
Don't worry about that. Let me show you something. Come on. Check out this gift my son gave me for Christmas.
What is it?
That is a smart birdhouse.
It has a camera in it, and you can look at the birds in the house through the phone.
Now, you can watch them anytime.
Wow, that's amazing.
With the Birddy Smart Birdhouse, you will never miss a single moment. It's not just a nestling place for birds. It's also your exclusive peek into the enchanting world of birds. AI video categorization lets you write your own bird story, watching their flights, meals, and even the magic of hatching. Crafted from solid pine wood with 4 entry sizes for different birds, and equipped with 8 vents and a skylight, creating an eco-friendly and bird-friendly birdhouse. With instant notification, each visit can become a new story. That's the experience Birddy Smart Birdhouse promises, a vivid, tangible world of nature. Let's redefine the future of bird watching together. Birddy Smart Birdhouse, your window to the bird world.